Number 8. Opening new folder. If we want to open the new folder, we right-click on it and we create it. But it is waste of your time. Instead of it, you can press Ctrl, Shift and N key. Number 7. Magnifier. Magnifier is the essential tool for eye-sightedness people. For zoom in, you can press Win key and plus key. It shows equal sign because the plus key is in the origin of equal to key. For zoom out, you can press Win key and minus key in your keyboard. Number 6. Minimizing the apps. To minimize the applications, you have to click the minimize button. It's okay for one application, but when you have so many applications on your screen, what would you do? You can easily minimize the apps by clicking Win key and M key. Number 5. Opening the applications in taskbar. You can press Win key and 1 for opening first application on your taskbar. Likewise, Win key and 2 for opening second application, and so on. Maximum, you can do it with 9 applications on your taskbar. Number 4. Switching the apps. If you have many applications opened, you can switch those applications by holding the Alt key and by clicking Tab key. For your convenience, and for better feeling, you can press Win key and Tab key for switching apps. It will be more convenient than before we done. Number 3. Lock the windows. When you do any important work and want others to not to see, you can press Win key and L key, then your PC will be locked. In mobile phones, we have 10 seconds after and before options. But what about PC? Number 2. Forward or reverse YouTube video in PC. You can press J key for backwarding the video, and press L key for forwarding the video. That was a nice video. Number 1. Splitting the screen. Open any one app you want, and press Win key and left arrow key. In the same way, open another application that you want, and press Win key and right arrow key. In this way you can work on both applications.